Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about the properties of addition. Properties of addition. What is properties of addition? We add the numbers. We have some properties. How we add the numbers. So that only we are going to see that. First one is closure property. Therefore, for any two integers a, b, if that a plus b is also an integer, we take any two integer. If we add the two integer, our answer also is an integer. So for example, 12 is an integer, minus 13 is an integer. If we add the two numbers, our answer is minus 1. So minus 1 also is an integer. That only we add any two integers, our answer is also an integer. That is closure property. Commutative property. Therefore, for any two integers a comma b, if we add a plus b, but we change the adder and add b plus a, our answer should be same. So, the commutative property is we add the two numbers, we change the adder and add also, our answer should be same. Next, third one is associative property. Here we take, for any three integers, we take three integers, that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus bracket of a plus b of plus c. That means first we add b plus c and then we add a. Here, first we add a plus b and then we add c. But our answer should be same. For example, minus 2 and minus 9, first we add and then we add minus 7. Here we change the order and add. Minus 7 plus minus 2, first we add and then we add minus 9. But our answer should be same. That is the associative property. Next, additive identity. What is additive identity? We take any integers. Any integer we add with 0. Any integer we add with 0. Our answer should be the same integer. So a plus 0 or 0 plus a, our answer should be the same integer a. That is, for example, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 0 plus 7 also 7. Minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5. 0 plus minus 5 also minus 5. In that last property is additive inverse. Additive inverse. So what is additive inverse? Therefore, for any integer a minus a, any integer is a means minus a is the additive inverse of a. That is, a is an integer, minus a is the additive inverse of a. So, if we add the number and the additive inverse, our answer should be 0. Add the number and their additive inverse, our answer should be 0. If minus a is the number means, our answer should be plus a. For example, so 21 plus minus 21 is equal to 0. The same, minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. So, for that, plus 7 additive inverse is minus 7. Minus 9 additive inverse is plus 9. That is, if answer question is positive, our answer additive inverse is negative. Question is negative, our additive inverse is positive. This is the properties of addition. What are the properties? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity and additive inverse. Last class we have studied how we add the numbers using number line and directly. Now we are going to see some word problems. Some word problems. Okay, children? Listen. A submarine. What is submarine? It is ship is going under the sea. For example, Neermulgi Kappal we say in Tamil. That is submarine. So that ship, submarine is type of ship is going under the sea. Okay, is at 32 feet below the sea level. The submarine is where it is now. It is places 32 feet below the sea level. Then it moves up. Below, it moves up 8 feet. It moves up 8 feet. Find the depth of the submarine. Find the depth of the submarine. So, first, now what is the position of the submarine? A submarine is 32 feet below the sea level. 32 feet below. So if it is under the sea, do you know how you represent the 32? So it is represented by minus 32. It is represented by minus 32. Next, then it moves up 8 feet. Then it moves 8 feet up. So it is up it move. It is we have to represent it by plus 8. If we represented plus 8. So what is the depth of the submarine? First its position is minus 32 and it moves the 8 feet means that position. Now we use the addition of integer. So symbols are different. You know that we have to subtract. Subtract 32 minus 8, 24. Greatest number symbol is minus. So minus 24 feet. So submarine is 24 feet below the sea level. Next example. From the ground floor, a man went up. From the ground floor, a man went up 6 floors and come down 6 floors. In which floor is he now? See, first starting point is ground floor. From the ground floor, the man went where? 6 floors up. Up means what? We have to, number of floors climbed up. Up means we have to mention it is the positive number. Next, he came down 6 floors. Came down 6 floors. Again, he came down 6 floors. Is coming down, we have to denote it as, represented as minus 6. So now, what is the landing point? Now, where is he? So, first 6 floors up. Next, minus 6 is 6 floors down. So, if we compare the symbols are different, we have to subtract. So, here you see plus 6 additive inverse is minus 6. If we add the number and the additive inverse, our answer should be 0. So, our answer is 0. So, again he is in the ground floor. Again, the landing point is 0 means he is in the ground floor. Next example. Tenmalar appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. So, he applied the competitive exam. There we have the negative marks. If one question is wrong, incorrect, it is 1 mark will be minus. So, in paper 1, she answered 25 question incorrectly. And in paper 2, 13 question incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. So, in paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly. Here 13 question, paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. If the correct questions, we take as the positive number. If it is the wrong question, we know that it is negative scoring mark. So, we have to. So, how many negative marks in paper 1? Minus 20. Because there itself they given. It is negative. If the answer is wrong, we give negative marks. So, answer is negative marks in paper 1 minus 25. Paper 2 is minus 13. If we add, they are asking total reduction. So, minus 25 plus minus 13. Minus 25 minus 13. Our answer is minus 48. So, total reduction mark is minus 48. This is some more examples for the addition of integer. I think you understand, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.